It's one of the reasons that the state court judge, Peter Cahill, decided to move this case. It was scheduled to go forward in August, and now it is being moved many months out to the spring of next year because the judge wants these federal charges, which he say carry the higher penalty and are much harsher charges. They're accused of depriving George Floyd of his civil rights when he was being arrested. So it will be interesting whether or not we are able to see a trial of these co-defendants, because we know in federal court they typically do not allow cameras inside.
Exactly. Julia, thank you so much for all of that. Let me bring in our legal analyst guests to get their take on this. Still with me, Brian Dunn, standing by in California, and David Atunga in Chicago. Brian, I want to go to you first on this, please. Do you think we're going to see a trial in state court for those other 3 fired officers?
You know, I completely agree with your sentiment, Julie. I don't think we're going to see another George Floyd trial in our lifetime, and I don't frankly think that we need to. This event has done more to raise awareness on the issue of police misconduct than anything that the Supreme Court could have done, anything that our elected officials could have done. That humble person taking the video and the trial and the aftermath is something that has completely been a watershed event. And I believe that it would almost be anticlimactic to have another go-round in court. I think the parties are going to do the right thing and come to some kind of out-of-court resolution.
I'm with you there, Brian. I really do think that perhaps there are plea negotiations or attempted plea negotiations going on right now that the public shouldn't be privy to. And it's my understanding that the judge is back on the bench in the Durst case. I believe we're going to keep watching things. We have to go in live. I guess we're going to go.